In this video, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to generate math equations and copy them into your Word document in two different ways. Using the ChatGPT to Word or PDF, using LaTeX code and the equation box in Word. Let's begin with the first method. Using ChatGPT to Word or PDF Chrome extension allows you to generate a Word or PDF file from a single ChatGPT responses or even generate a Word file with entire conversation. First, let's start with installing the ChatGPT to Word or PDF extension. Open Google and search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the link to open the store. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type ChatGPT to Word or PDF and press Enter. Click the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Alternatively, click the link in the description to directly visit the extension page. Be sure to check it out. Once installed, refresh it and enter a sample prompt. After receiving the response, you'll see two buttons, Word and PDF, at the bottom right of the response to export it. In the top right corner, you'll find two buttons to export the entire conversation. Open New Chat. Enter the prompt. Write a math equation with a table. ChatGPT will create content for your prompt. Click the Copy button located at the bottom left of each ChatGPT response. Open a new Word document and paste the copied text. You'll notice that the formatting isn't perfect and the equation does not display correctly. You would need to manually reformat it in Word. However, using the ChatGPT to Word or PDF extension preserves the original formatting. Go to the ChatGPT response you need. Click the Word button at the bottom right to download the document. Open the downloaded Word document. You can see the difference from manual copy-paste method. The formatting, equation, and table are displayed exactly as they appeared in the ChatGPT response. Next, you'll see how to export the entire conversation. Enter the prompt. Write another math equation using symbols, press Enter. ChatGPT will create content for your prompt. To download the entire conversation as a Word document, click Word button on the top right corner. Download the document. Open the downloaded document. You will see the entire conversation in a single Word document, with our both first prompt and second prompt contents including all equations, making them easily editable. Let's try another prompt. Write a math equation with multiple symbols and structures. Now export the conversation using the Word button and open the Word file. You'll see that the math equations including various structures placed inside Word's equation toolboxes. You can easily edit them within the document. Using this extension simplifies copying equations from ChatGPT into Word. Now we'll show you the second method, using LaTeX code and the equation box in Word. If you prefer not to use an extension, you can insert math equations in Word using the equation box and the LaTeX code. It is a coding language for creating professional documents, especially those with math equations. For example, I'll prompt, write a text with LaTeX codes for multiple math equation in code blocks. After the response is created, copy the desired LaTeX code by clicking the Copy button above the code block. Open your Word document, press Alt+ to insert an equation box. Once the equation box appears, paste the copied LaTeX code into the equation box. Click the equation drop-down in the corner and select Professional to convert the LaTeX code into an equation. Since this is a basic equation, we'll show you a different equation. Copy the LaTeX code from ChatGPT. Press Alt+ to insert an equation box. Paste the copied LaTeX code into the equation box. Click the equation drop-down in the corner and select Professional to convert the LaTeX code into an equation. If you need to modify the equation, select Linear from the drop-down to revert it back to LaTeX code. Edit the LaTeX code as required. Click Professional again to convert it back into an equation. Now you can see the LaTeX code is converted into an equation. You should repeat the same steps for inserting more equations each time. Since each equation must be inserted manually, I recommend using LaTeX code method for single equations. For multiple equations, the Chrome extension is a more efficient option as it automates the process. You have seen how to generate and copy math equations from ChatGPT using two methods. First method, using ChatGPT to Word or PDF Chrome extension. Second method, using LaTeX code and the equation box in Word. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more automation tips. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.